Hi, today we're going to be taking a ViBRANT wireless charging pad, QI enabled. So it says for iPhone X or 10, because people was calling, their iPhone. Someone would say, it's iPhone X. Other people was like, no, it's the one we're doing for 10, iPhone 10. I say, it's way too overpriced, and 2 months later, the next iPhone came out. And then a month and a half later, the next one, and the next one, and the next one. I was like, yeah, it's called the iPhone that I'm not buying, because as soon as I buy, hey, I just got the brand new iPhone. Guess what? 2 minutes later, you got an old phone, because the new phone just rolled off the assembly line. So, yeah. It says 8 Plus, and Android QI enabled device, so hopefully it works with my Android. Wireless power, QI enabled device. I have no idea what the heck QI is. Wireless charging on contact. And here it says QI enabled devices. Really bid there. I think I paid about $10 for this. So let's go ahead and cut this open and see if this thing even works. So no instruction manual. I guess they figure you don't need one. Here's a nice big fit charging cable. Here's how it looks. Now this one actually has rubber on the bottom, and this black wing's actually made out of rubber, so that's pretty awesome. Insert that like that. We can see some colors there, a red and a blue, so let's pop our phone on here. Nope, it ain't doing anything. We are dead on the table. Yes, this ain't doing anything, so pull it down. Set it on there, let's try Bluetooth in it. Because why not? When you're in doubt, Bluetooth. No devices found. Yeah, I have no idea. It's not charging. But if I unplug this and plug this in, my phone is charging now. So I guess my phone does not have this QI thing attached to it. So as we saw with the Extreme wireless charger one, that 2-pack, they said, oh, if your phone don't have it, you gotta go out and spend more money to buy something like that. It's like, man, what's the F? That's like useless. I mean, you tell me I gotta spend money on the charger. Not only do I have to spend money on the charger, I gotta go out and buy another piece to charge it up. I mean, I don't know about you, but I would be old school and just be like, you know what, charging cable. At least I know my phone's charging. Compared to, hey, you're just supposed to sit down there, tap it. It's supposed to do its job. It don't do its job. I mean, with this, plug it in. It's charging. It's doing its job. With this, it's like, no. You gotta spend like $10 on this. Then you gotta spend like another 15 on the little chip to then go install and peel off the sticker and put it inside your phone. And then you could do it. So now you're saying that I had to spend 25 freaking bucks to charge my phone wirelessly, do I just drop it and tap it on a little circle? Well, I could go to Dollar Store and spend $1 on a charging cable and just take out settings, put it in, my phone's charging. I thought this, would be, like that, but nope. Now I gotta go out and spend $15 on a freaking little sticker that I have to peel off and stick right on there so that I can use these two useless, stupid devices. And I don't know why phones don't even have this QI installed. Whoever designed this and the QI sticker has no IQ at all. I mean, these are the people that you need to get together and smack them like the Three Stooges and be like, you're an idiot, you're an idiot, you're an idiot. 1. Do not make people buy this $15 sticker. Get the sticker in the pack with the device. Am I right? Who wants to spend that much money? Or instead of saying, oh, this is $10 and then this is $15, which is going to come out to $25 anyway. Just market the dance, $25. People open it out of the package. Here's this. Here's my charging cable. Here's the little sticker. Simple. Done. Everything in one box. Nice. Easy. And if your device has it already enabled, well, you have an extra sticker for someone who doesn't have an enabled device that needs a sticker. Also, hey, stupid phone companies make every phone with this QI enabled devices. Because apparently these people are freaking moron idiots that they have no IQ to use this QI technology. Now, if I was designing this, I'd be like, you know what? It's going to cost you this much. You're going to get one of these, or in this case, 2 of them. One, or in that case, 2 charging cables, and you're going to be getting your sticker. If you have an iPhone, well, you don't need your sticker. You just, put it in, set it on, you're good to go. But if you have an Android, or maybe a Galaxy, like Samsung Galaxy, oh, there's a little sticker, peel the sticker off, tape it on there, then you can do it. Yep. So you can tell that on PO that these QI technology things are designed by people that has no IQ. Which, come on, you can tell they already reversed this. They went from IQ to QI. Yep. Do these devices work? Maybe if you have an iPhone, maybe if you're willing to spend an extra $15 on the sticker, but you still don't know if that's going to work. I have no idea, but for me, no, I'm probably just going to take them back and get my money back from Menards. Be like, yeah, give me cash or store credit, because I'm going to buy something else like a hammer that a hammer don't need a sticker or a power cord or, maybe a pocket knife or something like that. I mean, yeah, or hell, I'll grab a pizza, something from their frozen food aisle. Or a bottle of pop, something that is going to work, that you don't need to go out and buy a sticker or something for it, but yeah. So unfortunately, it's been the unboxing review of the ViBRANT wireless charging pad. Remember to hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks, bye.